Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the up and down stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the slip stitch, and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 double crochet into the 4th chain from your hook. You're now going to make 1 double crochet into each chain across. So that's 1 double crochet into the 4th chain from your hook, and then 1 double crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 1 chain. Into the first stitch of your row, make a slip stitch. Into the next stitch, make a double crochet. Into the next stitch, make a slip stitch. Into the next stitch, make a double crochet. You're now going to alternate between making 1 slip stitch and 1 double crochet for the rest of your row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 3 chains. You're now going to make 1 double crochet into each stitch across. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the up and down stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.